Hey everybody, John here at Adventure RV. I've had a couple requests of a video on this. Nobody can seem to make it in because of the snow, so I'm going to do a quick walkthrough video. So you can see ceiling fan, it's got a loft over there. That's the door to the garage. There is a table right there that can be set up in front of the couch. There's a couple of bar stools that come. There's a nice big sub there. It sounds really good when it's on. Lots of counter space right here. On that side you got a big oven, your fridge, microwave. Looks really nice. Comes with the TV. The radio, like I say, the sub sounds great. So here's all your controls. Lots of speaker controls. Your generator. It's listed on there how many hours it has. I think it was, I can't remember, but it barely broke in for the year that this is. Swinging around. I'm gonna go swing on this side too real quick for you. You can see you got storage down there, lots of drawers, storage underneath there. You got this double sink, which you don't see a lot in all the new stuff, so nice to have a dual sink. There I are. So let's take a look. The couch right there. You got lights above, storage above. There's that loft. I believe there's a ladder right there. More storage above there. And then you have the bathroom that leads into the garage out there. Medicine cabinet, sink, another one of those nice stone countertops. You can see ducted heat right there. Shows you your battery power. And let's walk through this fancy door. Show you the garage. It's got tie downs. So there's the dinette that can come out, and it could all be electrically brought up to the ceiling. There's another bed up there, another ladder. Vented. There's 2 air conditioners on this. Here's your controls for the loft bed. Lights. Put some light on. You got these other lights here. Plenty of light inside. There's that door that goes into the bathroom. Ducted heat. Air in here. Also, washer dryer prep. Spot for a TV. 2,500 pound cargo area that rolls down for a little, so when you have the door down, you can leave the door down, and you have mesh that goes across. This will come with a tent that the last customer set up. You put it outside off the ramp area. Anyway, second door that goes outside. 2 bar stools come with it. Let's go take a look at the bedroom, and then I'll head outside. So there's the bedroom, and then you have 2 ways to get into the bedroom, from the bathroom and from the hallway. So, oops. So medicine cabinet right there, lots more light. Overhead, let's pop this open. Nice big shower area. More storage in the bathroom. Foot flush toilet. Let's run over. It's ducted air and heat inside the bathroom. Second air conditioner in the bedroom. More of that nice countertop. And you have lots of drawer space. In here you have all this closet, hanging storage. And then in here also more storage. Both of these sides open up. And lots of storage in there. It's a residential queen bed, so 60 by 80. And I believe there's storage under the bed. It's got a little bit of thin storage there because you got that big outside area. So struts, plywood, not particle board. Good stuff. Let's head outside. Let's see what we got out there. Take a look at her. Oh, I forgot to mention onboard vac. So you got central vac. We'll run outside. Now this did blow a tire at one time. I'm not sure you can see. It has a little scratch right there, a little bit of a wrinkle in the tin. That's the only thing really, just cosmetic. But tires are decent, not the greatest. They'll get you where you need to go. They're probably a good another season on them. Decals, really bright. There's a few little dings in them. I mean, it's the age, but they're not faded and crappy like a lot of them are. So see if I can get into the storage for you. There we go. Nice big storage area, 50 amp cable. There's the central vac thing you clean up. They put a shelf up, you can leave it or take it down. And then over here you got a spot for battery. Generators in there. It's got a nice big Onan generator. We're gonna pop that open too. Level on the front. Docking lights, landing gear right there. 5500 Onan generator. Propane tanks are in there. That's the other side of your storage. Spot for your sewer hose. And also your poles are right there for the sewer. Water heater. You can see the decals are really nice on this side too. If you get really close, I mean, they're a little scratched in there, but for the most part, really nice looking. Nice aluminum rims. Again, tires for the most part, really decent. You got some lug left. Outside, right here, you have your fuel station. And there's the on-off switch for that. Ladder to the roof. And of course your door in the back. You can see the lights are on right there. I would say the only, see if the snow melted off the front. The front cap stickers, the decals are a little bit faded. That generally happens. We'll take a look here. They're not too bad. A little cracked right in the middle. Still fairly bright. If you look at the two sides, you can kind of see one is a little bit more faded on the front than the side, but overall, really good looking camper. Electric awning, outside speakers. It does have electric stabilizer jacks in the back. We'll get over closer to that. So you run them right there. There's their spare tire. Brand new, we just did that. Brand new spare tire. So there you have it. That's the Raptor. Here you can kind of see on this angle too, maybe. Just a little cosmetic from that tire blowing out, but it's all taken care of. Nothing was hurt on the inside. A couple little cracks there, but that's about all the damage that there was on these, really. There's nothing that got hurt on the inside here. You can see the bottom's all solid. Little crack there, but nothing that's really going to hurt anything. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.